Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix guided access not working on iPhone and iPad. In this video I'll tell you best fixes for guided access not working to help you resolve the issue and use it on your iOS device again without hindrance. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is enable guided access. Firstly, before moving to any other method, ensure you have enabled guided access session on your iOS device. You can access it manually, or chances are that you may have turned off the guided access mistakenly. For this, go to the settings app. Next, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. And then scroll down to the bottom and then tap on guided access. Next, enable the toggle for accessibility shortcut. For easily activate guided access with the side button, triple click or the home button if your iPhone has one, and you are done. And the next step is enable accessibility shortcut. Trigger the guided access by clicking 3 times on the side button or home button and find the accessibility shortcut. However, check if the guided access feature is assigned to triple click shortcut. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Now scroll down to find accessibility shortcuts. Tap on it. Ensure your guided access option is checked and you are done. And the next step is reset the guided access code. Open the settings app and then go to accessibility. Scroll down to the bottom and choose guided access. Next, click the passcode settings. From here you can set guided access passcode, and if it is already enabled, then click the passcode settings and reset your passcode and you are done. And the next step is restart your device. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is update iOS. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then download and install the latest version and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. For this, open the settings app, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of guided access not working on iPhone and iPad, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.